To connect a POCO M8 Pro 5G with a car, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate into more connectivity options, after which you should be able to find the Android Auto on the bottom. Now make sure that you have internet connection. You can also turn on your Bluetooth because you will need it as well, and then click on Android Auto. Now if you have internet connection, it should open a Google Play Store. If you're not logged in, you will need to create or log into your Google account and update Android Auto app right here. It is required as this app by default comes outdated, and you always need to update it before you start connecting your car. So now when the app is downloaded, click on Android Auto again, and now new window should open. Now you can actually connect a vehicle right here. Then there's two options for connection. First one is through the cable. If you have a cable that allows you to connect your phone with your car, then simply plug it in and your car should already show on the screen. If you don't have that cable, you can always use the Bluetooth method, but also you will need to make sure that your car does support this Bluetooth method as well. So if you have it, then click on connect using wireless settings, and then enter pairing mode on your car and click on connect using Bluetooth. Now pair a vehicle, and if you've done everything correctly, that means your car is in pairing mode. It should be available right here in available devices, and you can select it to connect it with your car. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.